Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to get more positive reviews on Fiverr. Want more 5-star reviews on Fiverr but feel like buyers forget to click that little button? Well, today we're fixing that, because nothing hurts more than delivering amazing work and hearing crickets. I'll show you 3 sneaky but ethical ways to get those glowing reviews rolling in. Let's go! Tip 1. Ask at the right time. Send a friendly message after they approve the delivery. For example, "Hey Ashley, if you love the work, a review helps me keep the lights on and the cat fed." You see, it's simple. Step 2. Make it easy by including a direct link to the review page in your message, because buyers are lazy and clicking beats typing. Step 3. Surprise them. Toss in a free extra, like a bonus graphic, and say, "This one's on me. Reviews optional but highly bribed. Appreciated." In conclusion, it's quite simple. Do all this and you see. So there you go. Act nicely, make it simple, and sweeten the deal. Now go get those reviews before your competition does. Smash the like button if this helped. Subscribe for more Fiverr hacks and tell me in the comments what's your best review strategy.